friends, welcome to Priyagram English. Myself Priya. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We have learned nouns, kinds of nouns and noun number in last video. Noun number means singular form of nouns and plural form of nouns. Have you watched all those videos like nouns, kinds of nouns and noun number? If not, then please do watch those videos so that you can understand today's topic better. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is how to change singular noun forms to plural noun forms in sentences. Means you must know what is the singular form of nouns and what is the plural form of nouns better so that you will able to understand today's topic. So today's topic is how to change singular to plural in sentences. So let's get started. Let's start our today's topic, that is changing of singular nouns to plural nouns in sentences. For learning this, you must understand how the subject should be changed in plural forms. See here, singular forms, that is if the subject is I, then its plural form is we. Then if subject is you, its plural form is you. If subject is he, she or it, its plural form is they. Then this, that, those, has, have. If subject form means if verb is in singular form, that is am, then its plural form is are. If if verb is in singular form, that is was, then its plural is were. Is, are, like this means you have to change subject and verb also to make sentences in plural forms. Now let's see how to change noun number in sentences. For this, let's learn through sentences. First sentence is the cat caught a butterfly with its paw. Now in this sentence you can see that cat is a noun, butterfly is a noun, then its paw, all these are nouns, means all these underlined words are nouns. So when we have to change this sentence in plural form, we have to change all nouns which are in singular form in sentence. So what is the answer sentence? Cats caught butterflies with their paws. Means in this sentence, the plural of cat is cats, plural of butterfly is butterflies, plural form of its is their, plural form of paw is paws. We have already learned in previous video where we have learned noun number means singular forms and plural forms. So you can understand means butterfly, here ending word is y, so you have to change it into I and add es so that you will get its plural form, that is butterflies. Now see the next sentence. That sheep has been following this goose. Now in this sentence you can see the underlined words, that is that, has, this, goose. All these underlined words are changed into plural forms like this. So see the answer sentence. Those sheep have been following these geese. Now you can see that singular form that, its plural form is those. Singular form of verb has, its plural form is have. Singular form these, its plural form is these. And singular form goose, its plural form is geese. So the answer sentence will be those sheep have been following these geese. Now see the next sentence. The dog chased a thief. In this sentence, you can see underlined words are nouns, that is dog and thief. These two words are noun, and when you are going to change this sentence into plural form, the sentence will be dogs chased thieves. Means you can see that the plural form of dog is dogs. You have to just add s. Then the plural form of thief is thieves. Means as per the rule, you have learned that where the last or ending letter is if f, then you have to add v. Means its place you have to write v and then you have to add es. So its plural form is thieves. So the sentence is dogs chased thieves. Now next sentence. His poem is world famous. Now in this sentence, his then underlined words, his, then poem and is, all these words you have to change. You have to change in plural form. Here poem is a noun. Then you can see is the verb, and here his is the subject. So you have to change all, means subject, noun and verb, to make the sentence in plural form. So the sentence answer sentence is their poems are world famous. Now here we have changed his into a plural form there. Then plural form of poem is changed into poems, and plural form of is are. So the sentence is their poems are world famous. You can write this sentence in another way also, that his poems are world famous, means this is also correct sentence, because you can just change the noun singular into plural, that poem means poems, and is are. So this sentence is also correct, that his poems are world famous. Then see the next sentence, the tiger sprang upon a goat. In this sentence you can see underlined nouns are tiger and goat. So you have to change this into plural form in sentence. So the answer sentence is tigers sprang upon goats. Now in this sentence you can see that the plural form of tiger is tigers and the plural form of goat is goats. So the answer sentence means the sentence which we have changed into plural form, that sentence is tigers sprang upon goats. Now the next sentence is this child is very smart. Here the underlined words are this, then child and is. Means here you have to change these words into plural form. Then the sentence will be correct. So the sentence changed sentence is these children are very smart. In this sentence you can see that the plural form of this is these, plural form of child is children, and plural form of is are. So the answer sentence is these children are very smart. Means singular form is this child is very smart. Then plural form is these children are very smart. Now the next sentence, a leaf is falling from the tree. In this sentence you can see that underline words leaf, is and tree. Now you have to change all these three words to make the sentence in plural form. So the sentence is leaves are falling from trees. Now you can see that the plural of leaf is leaves. As per the rule, if the last means ending letter is F, then you have to change into V and then add ES. So the plural form of leaf is leaves. Plural form of is are, and the plural form of tree is trees. So the correct sentence is leaves are falling from trees. Now see the next sentence. Baby is sleeping. In this sentence, underlined nouns are baby and is. Means baby is a noun and is a verb. So both these words you have to change into plural to make the sentence in plural form. So the correct sentence is babies are sleeping. Now here also you can see that the singular form is baby while its plural form is babies. Means ending letter is y, and before that y means ending letter, if consonant is there, then you have to change last letter y into I and then add es. So the plural of baby is babies and the plural of is are. So the plural form of sentence is babies are sleeping. Now the next sentence, the dog ate a loaf of bread. In this sentence, the underlined nouns are dog and loaf. So you have to make them plural forms to make the sentence in plural form. So the sentence is dogs ate loaves of bread. Now in this sentence, the plural of dog is dogs. Then plural of loaf is loaves. As per the rule, again the ending letter is F. Then you have to change it into V and then add es. So plural of loaf is loaves. Dogs ate loaves of bread. Now the next sentence, his life is full of mystery. Now in this sentence, underlined words which you have to change in plural, those words are his, life, then is and mystery. All these words you have to change in plural. So the correct sentence in plural form is their lives are full of mysteries. Now you can see that the plural form of his is their, plural form of life is lives, plural form of is are, and plural form of mystery is mysteries. So you know that the plural form of life is lives means if last letters are fe, then you have to add in the place of f you have to write v and then es. So plural form of life is lives and plural form of mystery is mysteries. So the correct plural form of sentence is their lives are full of mysteries. Now the next sentence, she has a daughter-in-law. In this sentence you can see that you have to change in plural form, those words are she, then verb has, and then noun. This is called compound noun daughter-in-law, which we have learned in previous video. Daughter-in-law is a compound noun and this noun also you have to change in plural form. So the correct sentence in plural form is they have daughters-in-law. Here means you have to change the plural form of she is they, and then plural form of has is have, and the plural form of daughter-in-law is daughters-in-law. As we have learned that when you have to change compound nouns into plural forms from means singular to plural forms, then you have to add s to the principal word or main word, and that word is daughter. So daughters-in-law is the plural form of daughter-in-law. So she has a daughter-in-law. You will write they have daughters-in-law, or you can also write this sentence in plural form as she has daughters-in-law. This is also correct sentence. Now the next sentence, this is a beautiful watch. Now in this sentence, underlined words are this, is and watch. So you have to make the plural form of this is, the plural form of this is these. Plural form of verb is are, and the plural form of noun watch is watches. So the correct plural form sentence is these are beautiful watches. Again, the plural form of watch is watches means as we learned that if the ending letters are ch, then you have to add es to the noun to make them plural. Now the next sentence is the box is heavy. In this sentence, you can see that underlined words is, box and is. These words you have to change in plural. So the correct sentence, plural form sentence is boxes are heavy. Then the next sentence, I talked to lady. In this sentence, you can see that you have to change the subject, that is I, and the noun lady to make plural form. So the sentence is, means sentence in plural form is we talked to ladies. So here you can see that we have changed the subject I into we and the noun lady to ladies. And another sentence can also be I talked to ladies. This is also correct sentence. But if we change subject, then the sentence will be we talked to ladies. So this is all about changing of singular nouns to plural nouns in sentence. Is the concept clear? Hope you have understood the topic. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload a new video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.